So my Triumph Street Twin is having some electrical issues. Now the indicators have started working sporadically, and in the past I had a potentially really dangerous situation where I lost all of my lights whilst riding on a dark unlit section of a motorway. This bike has already had a recall for a clutch cable hanger, which is just a small piece of plastic which is designed to stop the clutch cable from rubbing against the wiring loom. So could this current electrical problem be related to that same loom issue? Now I've done all the regular checks, I've done the fuses, I've looked at relay switches, I've even had a look and just to see if there's any loose wiring and anything like that, but I can't see anything. So the next step is I'm taking the bike back to Triumph for an investigation, and this video is going to be part 1 of the journey. In part 2 I'll share any findings and fixes if there are any. So the question is, have you had a wiring loom or electrical issue on your Triumph, your Street Twin, Scrambler, Bonneville or any other modern classic models? Is your bike and was your bike under warranty, or is it an older model? And did the recall fixings fix the problem, or has the problem returned? Drop your experiences in the comments. I'd love to hear from the other riders, see what's going on. It'd be great to get a bit of a discussion going, and this discussion can act as a great information portal for anyone that might be experiencing same issues. Don't forget to like the video, maybe share it for anyone else that may be experiencing the issue. Subscribe and hit the bell icon if you want to follow this series and see what Triumph discovers. Until next time, safe riding, safe driving, and I'll see you in the next one.